All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about when you're just having one of those days where you can't stay on your own car. What do I mean by that? Well, I'm a shop foreman here, so part of my duties are to help other techs around the shop. This afternoon, I had 10 hours sold that was due today, and of course, we had a couple different problems in the shop. Now, one was rust. I hate rust. Another was technician induced. Scotch Lock had a few problems on a Jaguar he was working on, problems after you touch a Jaguar. Never seen that happen before. So I was having to help him deal with that problem along with cutting a CV axle in half so he could get it out because the bearing was so seized in the shaft. That was after the axle broke in the hub. Fun one. So I got a nice little burn on my arm. I'll show you a picture here. And then I had to jump back on the cars that I had to get out that day and finish them. It was an interesting afternoon. I was running around like a chicken with his head cut off. Now, nothing I was doing was really complex or hard. I had a spill and fill on a Honda, oil change, front brakes, brake flush, filters, resealing a spool valve on that Honda, some good gravy work. And on another car I already diagnosed it. It needed a gas cap and, some maintenance, nothing real major. But so I had to drop everything, go help them, and then run back and finish my cars and, quality control them and all that. Along with all those issues going around the shop, I had my own. The gasket for the spool valve came in messed up. So we had to hurry up and get one of those coming. Suffice to say, end of today, I was kind of running my butt off. Made hours this afternoon, didn't make any this morning really, but the joys of being a shop foreman. Not complaining about my position, but sometimes it can be a little frustrating, to say the least. Around here, I deal with guys that really know what they're doing. I just really am here to assist them. But sometimes, so this is kind of a warning to guys that are looking to be shop foremen, is sometimes it's great. Everything's running smooth, no problems, and then all of a sudden, boom. Everything goes wrong. Today wasn't one of those days, but it was not a day that went smooth. Kind of sharing my frustrations of the day. So, hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, I can kind of understand. I was just kind of, woe is me. So, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.